And the jacket is packed already. Yes. So good to go. For this shoe, it's 5K. The most sweetest.
Don't waste your money.
Oh my god, look at it.
Ferrari.
Let's get boring. Hi guys. So my mom just sent this in for our grandbabies. Yeah, they were told to come to school on Friday with the traditional attire, so we got to get them some. And here is it, newly sold. So I think this is for Skylar, yeah, and this is for Adam. So we have the white lace on the top. This is the most beautiful part. The most sweetest part, the filabetia jar. Here we have the trouser. So the trouser doesn't really go down when they wear it, so it has to be like a jumper kind of. It's for Angela. We have the Iro and Buba with gele and ikpele. So the Iro goes this way, this is ikpele, and the gele. And this is my first time of getting them ashoke and lace. Oh my god, look at the traffic again. What's going on today?
So I just finished eating cake. So now you can see my outfit, my ballet clothes. It's like dang. Even my pop socks, like I don't know.
Wait, what's that?
Expensive car.
Where?
It's not like a car. It's not like a
You
car.
like what?
Lamborghini. It's not a Lamborghini.
Okay, Skylar,
It looks like a
which one do you like?
I like this car and I like Lamborghini. No. I like Ferrari. You make me. I like Lamborghini too, but I like it more so because I can see it at the back.
What in the name of no tooth in the front smile is this?
To wear on that thing that you put like this.
No, it is complete. You have to put it, because if you don't put it, it won't look complete. I'm sorry, you have to. It will not. So the next day, I went to Balogun Market to get the remaining things they need for the attire. Do me.
Hi, ET.c world. Welcome back to our channel. On Friday, we're doing a Yoruba dance for our school. So I am in the front. I saw Angela, she's in the front, but Adam, I haven't seen him. But
Adam, where's your stick? Okay. Hold it very well.
Mommy, hope you know I have something to say.
Okay, hold on. Just hold on. Adam. Adam.
I'm going to be saying good morning, moms and dads.
So after the all fittings, I went straight to Chicken Republic to get some food, because it was Maulid Nabi Day and I have to get the food and share to people. So we were told to bring some Nigerian delicacies to school on Friday. So I got this meat and Momo Shaki Fuku roundabouts, as you can see. But the thing is, I don't really know what to cook. I was thinking to make ayamashi sauce, that's ofada sauce and ofada rice, with eforiro and pounded yam. And today I have a girls' date night, or will I say ladies' night? Yeah. So guess where we're off to? No other place. We're going to Zaza. 1st of October 2023. Yes. So Benz is performing in Zaza today. Should I say Bonjour? Because I don't really know if I actually pronounce the name very well. Okay, so let me just go this way. So Bonjour is performing live today at Zaza. it's gonna be fun, like, you know. So I just got this hair from E.t.c hair. It's so like the texture of the hair is so good. As I'm talking, let me just grab some things and, you know, yeah, all good, perfect. So I just want to roll the sleeves up. I love it this way. And guys, I'm running late. It's almost 10 p.m. I actually booked for 10 p.m. So we need to start. Sorry, wait. I need to start get going. Yeah. So how do I look with the jacket on? Pink jacket, long curly hair. Oh, my accessories, yeah. So once I leave home now, I'm off to my friend's place to pick her up. Then we go to Zaza. Yeah. So check me out. Oh, my shoes. So I thought of wearing something black, like a black block heels, but my daughter told me to go for pink and silver, which I think will be nice. So I think this pink is kind of nice on it. Yeah, looks classy. Like I said earlier, I don't really want, the thing is I don't really want something like let me just put it this way, like I just need something simple, classy, elegant. I don't really want something that will stress me all night. No, I just want to be free in my outfits. Yes, so I'm going for these shoes. Yes, and a silver bag as well with the shoes. Kind of go, yeah. So guys, I just put on my shoes and it looks so good on it, because I was actually thinking to wear the black, but then I changed my mind. So this is it. Party ready. Yes, so let's go rock. And the jacket is party ready. Yes. Last week was a hectic one. Like, I just need to go wind out the stress, drink, eat, and have fun. Like, so I'm inviting you all through my lens to come and party with me, to come and have the feel and the taste of Zaza, like how it feels to party in Zaza. Yes. Let me start get going. Yeah, it's almost time. See you later. See you later. So my keys, yeah, I have to go check on them, give them the 9 keys before I step out, because without that, it's gonna be a whole long topic tomorrow. So guys, come with me. Hi guys.
Hi. I thought you so gorgeous.
What?
You look so gorgeous. Beautiful.
Thank you, baby. So I'm going, okay?
Are you doing your YouTube video?
Yes, baby, I am.
We're just coloring. We're just coloring.
Okay, so you guys have to go to bed, okay?
Mommy, look at what we're coloring.
So nice. I love it.
Okay,
Okay,
my
Mama.
subscribe to my mommy's channel.
Good night. Oh, see, my son is giving me money for tonight's party.
Mommy, let me tell you something.
Adam,
Mommy, let me
all
tell you
this
something.
for me?
I have
Are you
one.
serious?
Mommy, let me tell you something. Angela, chilling.
Stop saying it. I'm tired of her. She's always saying chilling, like when she's enjoying herself.
Okay. All right. So, guys, I'm going. Okay. Kiss, kiss. Good night. Mwah. Mwah.
Go get my money.
Mwah. Good night, baby. You'll sleep, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, baby. Wow. Guys, you all just take a look at my kids. Yeah? Sorry. It's you. Sorry. Let me see. Oh, sorry.
But at least this one is going.
Sorry. Don't worry. To remove some, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Sleep. Put this money here. Okay. Yep. Washi. And on the slides. It's so quiet. So guys, I'm at Bella's. Oh, my ring just fell down now. I have to start looking for my ring. I'm at Bella's and she's still in the house. Okay, so let's just wait and see when Madam Bella will come out from this building. Okay, so I just called Bella now and she said she's coming. She's trying to buckle her shoes and she would be out soon. I just hope she's saying the truth because I know Bella. When she tells me she's in the elevator, trust me, she's not.
Ya Amre, Ya Habibti, Amma, Ya Habibti, Ya Habibti. I'm sorry. You know I'm your darling. You know.
You can fire me this night, eh?
I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, my Bino. You know how to look hard.
That's good, though.
I mean, you look good, mommy.
I know you want me. Every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my lips always give me you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise. So why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you. I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, mold you, soul, just split you in half in my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
So guys, it's 2:30 a.m. I just come back from the party. Oh, I'm so tired. Feeling super sleepy. My bed is calling. I'll check the kids. Oh my. Just take a look at guys. See the way they are sleeping on each other. Angela is not even wearing her PJs. Angel. Ella, stand up, mommy. Go to your bed. Why didn't you change? You're so lazy to change. Okay, just go. I had a blast and a fun-filled night. Now, all I want to do now is to just remove this wig. Oh, yeah. That reminds me. Oh, it's a lot. A lot. Wow. Oops. And my jacket. My lashes. So now I just have to clean this makeup out, wash my face, and to the bed. Quick stop at McDonald's. So I just got this for 25k. Like, for real? Oh, look at that glow. The glow is glowing and the hair is hanging.
On.
No, what happened?
Nothing. I don't have Angela sparked my bag. And the police you too. It's not true. And he's been dragging our.
Okay, it's okay. Let's go. Once bitten, twice shy. You get like all these mini banks or microfinance bank. I don't know what they call them. It's not for me. They are thieves. They are scammers. So why not just go to?
People don't have money. It's still yours.
Yes, and you're still trying to scam them. It's not cool. So
let's go with the fat man.
we're going.
Yeah, the one that
The sea
Please,
is rolling. There's Kuda. There is a money point.
There's always one bad thing about them.
There's Kuda. There is man.
I don't even like it.
Doesn't even make any sense to me.
And
like,
they have so many plans.
Yes, because it's fast.
Yes.
Because it's
Especially
fast.
these Uber drivers, anything
Yes,
that
because
has
they
to do
get
with
it,
business.
like-
yes, they use it.
Like this. So you see them using it.
There are people that would have, I don't know.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby,
Is Auni there? Yes. Okay, don't worry.
you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit. Know that shit. Know what it is. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really wanna stay. I really wanna go. What I really need to know. Can we get it together?
Say my love for you, Naru. It's back there. Hey. Hello. How was today? Good. You all had fun?
Oh, he's tired.
Adam is tired.
Tired.
Look at my
eyes
fish.
are
That's my
red.
fish.
And his eyes are so red.
Baby shark, do. The shark of the house. So
Come, I'm not going with you, come. My ride is there.
okay, your ride is there.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Don't I'll come and see you again.
Okay,
Come to my
bye.
house on Saturday. Good night.
Nice.
Sleepy boy.
See, your face is red. Yeah, like that.
Bye. Good night.
So if you guys ever had the iPhone 14 and you get the iPhone 15 that's up now, they just want to eat up your money because of what's the difference about them? They just does the same thing, the camera, everything. My mom just got the iPhone 14 and we're using this now for a video. And when I saw a picture of the iPhone 15 and many videos of it, I was like, you're just eating up your money if you're getting and you already got the iPhone 14. But if you have the iPhone 13 already, you can get the iPhone 14 or 15. But just don't waste your money on these stupid things, okay?
And that's it. Oh my God. Hi. Angela just broke. She broke the table. Not only the table with the legs. Like
I'm trying to learn how to drive.
for real. Okay, so guys, we had fun. It was a fun-filled beach day,
Mommy,
right?
when you took off my floaties, I was trying to do like this, but then I was about to drown. To eat bread. Slay.
Why did you remove it? Why did you open it?
My sister wanted to took
I want to see
our
all your
money.
money. I want to see all your money. Since you won't tell me how much money I have in my bank account.
You have 10 naira each.
Mommy, tell me how much money do I have in my bank
$1
account?
billion.
How do you know? I think I already have like 2.1 million.
Take. Where is it?
You don't pay for my mama.
Oh. Can you put it up?
Ice cream. What's our ice cream?
Can you please hold this?
Okay.
Can you hold this, please?
The box looks different.
Give it to show her to hold it.